Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Facebook, Apple, Amazon, and Netflix. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website. They're free. Click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie, or just give them a call and tell them StockBookie sent you. Alright, so daily chart, Facebook, 17 million shares on the day, 1.15% green, $2.21 up on the day. We're attacking the new or the old all-time high right around the 195. Well, let's go right into it. 195.32, and what a nice push, guys. Just like the SPY, just like the Qs, just like everything else, went up, pulled back, chopped around, stayed above the 20, the 50, and the 200, and blast off. We get news, straight down. I guess Mark Zuckerberg came out, got everybody, it's okay. We don't care about all your data. We're just going to keep giving it away, and we don't really care what you say. So goes up on that news. Going into earnings, it's Facebook, guys. When you get a move, for a 100-point move, it should still move higher, guys. So, I'm looking at these charts on the bigger time frames. From 2014, this was a $25 stock. That's $193. It's almost like the dot-com boom, guys. And then we get this nice pullback on news, of course, and then straight back up. Why not? This would have been a great buying opportunity down here. If you did catch it at 150 and you're at 193, chisel some off, take some profits, let it come down again and do it again, guys. This was a great almost 50-point move in 2 months or so, 3 months or whatever. So take the money and run on to the next stock, guys. It's coming into some big overhead resistance. We'll see how it handles. Weekly did not close. Let's see if it pushes up again into next week's action. Notice heavy volume selling, no volume straight up. So the no volume, no participation market, these things just float right up to the all-time highs. And with the hype from CNBC and everybody else, guys, it's Facebook. Just buy at the highs. Don't worry about it. Buffett did. So we watched that one, and then the monthly, same thing. Boom, retrace right back to the highs. We did have one day on the monthly, so we'll see what it gets on next week and the weeks to come. So we're right back into the all-time high. Let's see if this thing can handle it. Again, going up on no volume, just pretty much like the whole time, guys. Nothing. Just keep it going. Eventually, guys, we will be at the 50 MA. I promise you on Facebook on all these. Apple. Apple, hats off to Apple. Warren Buffett came out. Good earnings. Triple upgrade. Another upgrade on Friday. Buffett. Who else can buy this thing? Maybe Tepper. Maybe Siegel comes out and buys it too. So with everything, we get the push up on the earnings. Then it just chops on all the Buffett news, this CNBC hype. And where are we at? We're right back at the all-time highs, guys, after all that. So another one, though. 160 moves up 30 points to the all-time high. If it goes to 200, maybe. But for me, I don't really care, guys. Let it go to 300 for all I care. When it pulls back, we'll go long. When it keeps pushing, we'll go short again. We'll do some intraday. We'll buy some puts. We'll buy some calls. Don't really care, guys. I'm a trader, and this is what I'm looking for when I'm trading these stocks. So we're back above the trend line. See how it was holding? Look at that. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we get above it again. No confirmation. Let's go to the weekly. I want to stay above it and then some follow through. But I want more volume than this. I don't want this just non-volume. This one had a nice push up. Maybe this was earnings, I think. I don't even know. Yeah, it was possibly earnings. And then, look, just disappears, and then we float. Here's that big trend line up here that we're trying to hold. And it looks like, we're attacking the all-time high. So next week's going to tell us a different story, guys. We'll follow the weekly chart, and then we'll see what happens with the Apple. But, man, hats off, guys. Apple, what a move. Look at this monthly chart, guys. Yeah, because those are healthy moves. Gets up, pulls back. Gets up, pulls back. Gets up. What do you think? What do you think's going to happen here, guys? We're finally out of this channel. Every time we're going to get out of this channel, and what are they going to do? They're going to try. Let's see. So we got up, came back, came down to the trend line, got below it. Now we're back above it again, and this one's trying to shoot up. So let's see if we can hold this. If we can close above the all-time high on the monthly chart up in this area, then possibly higher prices. If you get to 200, and if you're not short Apple, 200 is the spot to short it, you know, if it even makes it. It will probably chop into earnings, and then earnings will be either make or break this one, as well as the other stocks too. You are extended from the 20, the 50 MA, so that tells me that this could possibly pull back again. But we'll have to see it. Give Apple some time. It is Apple. Warren Buffett bought. You know, Warren Buffett, I think they were saying he bought maybe down in here, 150-ish. So if you got whatever 75 million shares or whatever he has, you get $50 move. You don't think he's taking that off the table? Well, we'll see. You know, Buffett's a little more long term, but you still got to expect a pullback. I still think we could come back into this area and fill this gap right here. That's me though. If it does, great. If not, I'll keep trading. Don't really care. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon, same thing, the Eiffel Tower, but it's Amazon. And remember with Netflix, guys, when it was, oh, Amazon's taking over the world, and then Netflix had a nice correction. Oh my gosh, they're gonna put Netflix out of business. Holy cow! And the next thing you know, Netflix is at all-time highs. And so is Amazon. So I guess Amazon's not affecting Netflix. CNBC is affecting Netflix with the news, the CNBC hype. So this one's Eiffel Tower, 1128 would be my price target. You might get more upside, you know. It's not taking over the world, guys. It's an extended chart, and its time will come, just like the rest of the high flyers, guys. That's how this stuff works. So we had a nice inside bar. We did get above it on Friday. We closed above it. Look at that. So we chopped. Then we start getting the, you know, I don't know what they were doing with Amazon, but they were plugging away or whatever. A little bit of volume came in, floated right up with the markets, right back to the all-time high. Let's see what it gives us, guys. I'm going to follow more the weekly on these. We closed pretty much, let's see, high 1638.10, and the close on this one. Yeah, so we closed above the all-time high. Good stance, above the MAs. But man, just getting extended. See how far these are? See how this is getting extended from the 20 and the 50? See how we had nice spacing here? And all of a sudden it starts moving up on us. So watch this one, guys. The volume was okay. We had 3 million. We were up 0.73%, or $11.92 up. So, you know, nice move, guys, off this 1355 area. Getting the bulls on board, getting all excited. It's just like anything else, guys. The time will come. That's all I can say, especially this. Look at this move. It's almost straight up. Then we get the reverse and then straight back up. Man, I don't care if it's Amazon, guys. It's stocks like that. It just can't handle moves like this. I mean, look at this. Straight up, guys. Never, ever healthy. It's just, man. This is Fed-induced, guys. 5-6 trillion and on the balance sheet. But it's Amazon. But it's Apple. I don't really care. Remember when Apple hit 700 and it retreated to 350? Half. But it's Apple. It can't go down and then 50% correction. Things will go up. Stocks will go down. Period. So Amazon, guys, if you're long, just protect it. That's all I'm saying. If you're trying to short it, you know, slow and steady on this one. Puts, I wouldn't do puts. You're going to get demolished. I'd short calls, though. That's something you could play because you have a lot of up and then just hold off. You know, like this. We wrote calls here. Boom, pulled back, got them. Then it just, look at that, just floated right here. Starts going up. Write some calls. Gets into this area. Go out a month or so. And let's see what happens with these. Again, we're back into this area, the all-time high. Well, let's see what it gives us next week. Watch the SPY, watch the IWM, watch all the big indexes. If we have light volume, this should continue going higher. Unfortunately. So, let's see. Netflix, same thing. I've seen this before. I'll send it just on a tear. Remember, though, Amazon was taking over Netflix, guys. Remember that. That was about a year ago. It's going to take all the retailers out, and then all the retailers went down, and the retailers rallied for like 7-8 months, and then they came back out. Oh, Amazon's taking over the world, and then it kind of derails everything. So that's why turn off CNBC. Don't watch that crap. They just hype everything up. Up. So, I mean, look at this move on Netflix, guys. It was $187 back in the beginning of 2008. Man, that's just incredible. These moves are just unsustainable, guys. They might keep moving higher on the hype and the no volume markets. I mean, look at this, guys. Stocks do not go straight. I mean, they do go straight up in these markets, but when they do, look at my price target right now is 206 on this one. It's not going to be there because it's going to keep going higher. But look, it's going to go click, 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 and then right back down, guys. So be careful with Netflix. If you are long Netflix, if this thing goes into earnings, and what is it, the next month or about a month and a half or so, if it pops up to 400, you gotta short this thing. At least a short-term trade. Markets pull back, this thing's going to be toast, guys. So just be careful, especially if you're long Netflix. Guys, great move. I didn't catch the up move. I had some calls here and there. I had some puts, shorting calls, shorting shares, did a little bit of everything with Netflix, intraday, you know, short-term trades, whatever. I'm just out here to try to make money, guys, period. I don't care if this thing keeps going up and up and up. I'll try to get the quick short out of there. I can't buy stocks after a 200-point move. I just can't. Sorry. You know, does this go up? Yeah. Does the volume stay light in the SPY and allow these to go up? You got to watch out. Light volume markets, all they need is a little bit of news. They push it up. You get a heavy volume sell, these just go straight down, guys. Just like this. Boom, boom, boom. Go retraces, short, retraces. Will it do it again? Possibly. All I'm saying is, guys, be careful in these markets. A lot of these stocks are up, 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 and away, and you don't want to be caught when these things start coming in, because they will. Eventually it will. You know, on one side note, look at CMG. When this thing was going up and up and up and up, right here, everyone, oh, it's CMG. This should be a $900 stock. Goes up to here, hits around 450 or so, 441, straight back down. Goes right up to what, 750. We shorted here, we shorted here. Everyone, Bookie, you're shorting CMG. What are you, a moron? You know what? Look at this, right back down. But this was another one, guys. Look, and everyone, oh, Chipotle, it's at 750. Hurry! And then they frickin' slot. Well, of course, the thing with the lattice or whatever the hell it was, but it's still elongated up move, high flyer. It's coming in, guys. I don't care. Just like here. We're almost to the point where we're right here on this one. And we're not out of the woods yet. Chipotle's not fixed by any means. Right there. So we're getting close to this. We hit that 450. Did we hit 450? Yeah, the 450 was close. But gosh, all of a sudden it's fixed again, guys. Look at this. Down, down. Do we get one more of those? And we're still in a downtrend too. So you know, until we get above that area here. So, you know, not to jump around into Chipotle and this and that, but I haven't done a video in a while, guys, so I'm jumping around a little bit. NFLX would help. Putting in the right symbol in there. But yeah, when this thing goes up, guys, come on. Just be careful. That's all I'm saying. I don't care if you're long or short, but if you caught this move, 150 points, take something off the table. Or better yet, if you're in this thing from $9, take some off the table. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. It's been a little while since I've made a video. Had a lot of stuff going on. My StockBookie.com site's doing real well. Got a lot of members on board in the last couple of months and catering to those guys who pay me. Alright guys, again, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.